Get ready for run-and-gun shooting and unmatched versatility with the Benro Connect Monopod. Featuring uncompromising performance, this monopod is compact, portable, and a versatile tool for videographers on the go. Constructed with high-strength aluminum, its stability and support is second to none. This 4-section monopod utilizes adjustable high-grade reinforced flip locks for increased longevity. And for even more versatility, you can convert your monopod to a low-angle tripod. Simply pull down on the lock sleeve, rotate counterclockwise, and pull to detach. Repeat this step with the other lock sleeve. Now combine the head with the support stand and rotate clockwise to secure. The adjustable support stand features 3-position leg angle adjustment locks, with each leg able to be positioned individually. After you're done shooting, the legs can be reverse folded, making it easy for carrying or storage. The support stand also has a built-in leveling ball with lock knob for dynamic movements, or to level out your shot. When shooting in low angle mode, you can utilize the 90-degree notch for a vertical orientation, essential when shooting for mobile applications. By removing the micro support stand along with the attached rubber foot, you can reattach the rubber foot to the monopod for conversion to a standard monopod. The Connect is available in 3 sizes. Each size includes an S-Series head to couple with your monopod, providing you with uncompromising performance. The largest of the family is the S6 Series head, which supports up to 13.2 pounds and features a fluid drag control coupled with a 3-step counterbalance. Also featuring an interchangeable telescoping pan arm and an illuminated bubble level. At one size smaller, the S4 Series features a head supporting up to 8.8 pounds, featuring a fixed counterbalance fluid head, also featuring an interchangeable pan arm and an integrated bubble level. The smallest of the Connect family is the S2 Series, featuring a simple fluid head supporting up to 4.4 pounds. A bubble level is also included for added precision. All heads feature 360-degree pan and dynamic tilt movement, and a sliding adjustable plate system for easy mounting and removal. The sliding plate gives you the ability to balance your camera, while a safety lock prevents it from slipping too far. The included wrist strap provides convenient, secure handling. The closed-cell foam grip provides comfortable, positive handling at all times. Spend less time setting up and more time shooting with the compact and versatile Benro Connect Monopod. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go.